To eat 3 square meal a day is by connection. Let me tell you, if you have farm, you don't know what God did for you, because about I will forget it. Maybe at the end of it, that is when I will remember that this woman, you did not capture anything. I'll be like, ha.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hi guys, welcome back. Who else also forget that you are a content creator? Because you see this thing that I'm holding, you see this mineral, see where I've drank this thing, see I've eaten this one. I always forgot that. I always forget that I'm a content creator. I'm a YouTuber. Because I say, God, the spirit of forgetting that I'm a content creator, most of the things that, okay, this thing show you, the things that I need to video or vlog about, I will forget it. Maybe at the end of it, that is when I will remember that this woman, you did not capture anything. I'll be like, ha. Guys, sorry, I want to check this thing. This frame is showing. So mind the background, yeah, because I will not tell you not to mind it. You can see me. I came to my house to come and check something, and also pump water, because they will soon start to work. Guys, come and shop with me. I was watching a gum series. I was watching her video. The video she just uploaded, 10 YouTubers problem and how to fix it. You understand? That is what I was watching. Immediately I remember, hey, that choose you are a content creator, go and film. Go and film. And that is why I'm here. Understand? So, how are you all doing? Welcome back once again. I'm at the site now. We're not doing anything. You just only pumping water for them because they can start work at any time. And also, I don't know if I'm going to be weeding this compound because the grass has come out. I don't want it to be much. I will just if I see hole, I can collect as an organ. You understand? I can collect and be doing it small because no money to pay for somebody to come and do it. I'll be doing it small. Then after then, I don't know, I may branch as I'm going. I will branch to market and get some things, because in my last video I told you guys that I'm going to market. I could not go again, so today I'll be branching to market to get that stuff. Understand? So join me. So I will talk to you guys later. For now, bye. We'll talk later. Done food. Guys, I'm done. We are done pumping the water. I want to go and keep my wrapper. The wrapper that I'm using to, here is that go. Sorry. The wrapper that I'm always using to sit or lie down. Want to keep it. Because this water that we pump now, at least, even if you are not around and workers came to do work, they can easily get water without disturbing you. Sorry guys, I'm closing the doors. They can easily do their work without stressing you of water. And in my soccer way, there is water there because the chambers they have not covered it. So If you are watching this moment and you have not subscribed and you have not liked, what are you still waiting for? Please do so. It's a necessity that you have to subscribe and also like. So keep watching. Let's do it together. Mine, say how much?
5, this one 4.
3, no buy am. How much you tie am?
The reason why it's bad is that people want whatever on your TV and in your phone. You must wait somewhere. You must wait.
You see, it's good to have farm in your house, in your compound. If you have a house, if you are a landlord or landlady, it's good to have farm. Even if it's not that big farm, as in mini garden. You get why? But first of all, let me show you guys what I bought from market. It's just a food stuff. I have scent leaf here. I have periwinkle, which is isam. This one is pepper, Cameroon pepper. I bought these things from market, from Oyemi market. If you are here in Porthacourt, this one is obono, grounded obono, and the egusi. I grind this to the market. Then here I have my ice fish. Here is pepper, fresh pepper. Okay. This one is sungu. I think when you call it sungu. Sungu, that is that small bonga fish. You will know it. Sungu. And last but not the least, I have tomatoes here. I have my onions here. This is all I got from the market. You understand? So back to what I was saying. This aside. Let me keep it aside. You see this bag? You see this bag? I did not buy anything from market. This one is directly from farm. I was there. It's good to have farm in your compound, even if it's only water leaf that you plant. It's good. It helps a lot. I visited someone today in his compound. That is where we got all these things that I'm going to be using to cook. I have water leaf here. I have obo, which is vegetable. I have bitter leaf. And also banga for banga soup, banga stew, palm fruit. Palm fruit is here. You said? Palm fruit banga is inside this bag, direct from farm. Direct from farm. Let me bring them out and show you guys, because if I'm to go and be buying this thing, I will spend no less than 5,000 if I'm to buy. Yes. This one is bitter leaf. I know you will say bitter leaf is everywhere. This one is bitter leaf. from farm. Bitter leaf. Okay, this one is vinegar. Vinegar is the things. See vegetable fresh. They have not touched this in water. See fresh blood tonic. And oh, this banga don't pour. I like it. What is inside this bag? What is inside this bag? The banga have poured, so I need to. Is banga and water leaf. Let me just bring that small and show you guys water leaf. So this one is directly from farm. I did not buy any of this. You see the benefit of having mini garden or farm in your area, because now this person now will just look for crayfish maggie. You see this country now, to eat 3 square meal a day is by connection. Let me tell you, if you have farm, you don't know what God did for you, because now minolia now you be. If you eat 3 square meal a day, you be minolia. Can ask your Google will tell you. So I'll talk to you guys later, maybe when I'm done cooking all these things.